Stripping Machine 10603 Operation Guide 1. Equipment Function Introduction. This is the power switch of the knob machine. Rotate it to the right. Machine powered on. This is the start button after the program is edited. Press start and the machine starts running. This is the stop button. Press the stop button and the machine will stop running. This is the emergency stop button. When an emergency occurs during the operation of the machine, press it to stop the machine. These 4 buttons are jog buttons. Control the movement of the clamping device in the direction. The current position shows the coordinate position of the paper clamping device. The position of the pressure plate shows the coordinate position of the pressure plate. The position of the roof slab shows the coordinate position of the roof slab. Pressure plate up and down fast, slow speed, control plate up and down speed, switch fast, slow speed. Pressing plate up, control pressing plate up. Pressing plate down, control pressing plate down. Ejector pin up, control ejector pin up. Ejector pin down, control ejector pin down. Close the paper clamp button controls the paper clamp device to clamp the product. Open the paper clamp button controls the paper clip device to loosen the product. Middle rod down, control middle rod down. Middle rod up, control middle rod up. Lock the symbol. The symbol will not be pulled out after the symbol is locked. Open the symbol. The symbol can be pulled out smoothly after clicking the symbol loosen button. Reset button. Click the reset button and the motion structure of the machine will return to the mechanical origin. The display of the machine status as ready indicates that the reset is completed. Open the oil pump can provide power for press plate and ejector rod. Close the oil pump. Cut off the power to the oil pump. Z-axis, M-axis jog. Click the button to enter the page. The left and right movement of the pressing plate or the ejector rod can be controlled by jogging. Jog the Z-axis, and the jogging controls the pressing plate to move left and right. Jog the M-axis, and the jogging controls the ejector rod to move left and right. Move to the position of the next product. When the machine is running and there is a lack of paper at the current position of the paper, the machine will stop and give an alarm. Click move to the position of the next product, then click start and the machine will continue to run. Continuous operation. The machine operates continuously without stopping in the middle. Test run. The machine needs to be jogged by pressing the start button. Click Edit. You can enter the page to set product parameters. Left-right distance. The distance in the left-right direction from the current product to the next product. Left-right number in a whole sheet of paper, the number of products arranged in the left-right direction. Front-back distance, the distance in the front-back direction from the current product to the next product. Front-back number in a whole sheet of paper, the number of products arranged in the front-back direction. Left-right starting point, the positioning coordinates of the first product in the left-right direction. Front-rear starting point, the positioning coordinates of the first product in the front-rear direction. Coordinate writing, click the direction key to move the paper clamping device. When the first product on the paper is moved to the center of the ejector rod, click Confirm. Removal selection, the product selects A, B, C station for work in the current area. Move first products in the current area, choose left, right, or front-back direction to work in order. Area control, turn on or turn off the program in this area. Workstation choice, when there are multiple layouts on the paper, the current station is unable to remove them all at once. Multiple stations can be selected for removal according to the layout of the paper. For example, currently, the paper needs to be removed at Station A and Station B. Click on Station A of the pressing plate to adjust the pressing foot of the pressing plate. Click on Station A of the ejector rod to insert the ejector pin. Click on Station B of the pressing plate to adjust the pressing foot of the pressing plate. Click on Station B of the ejector rod to insert the ejector pin. The axis position edit, when there are multiple layouts on the paper. The pressing foot of the pressing plate cannot be adjusted at the current position of the pressing plate. For example, the position of the pressing plate before adjustment. Jog the position of the pressing plate. The value that has increased is displayed at the current position. Click to write the current coordinate into position A, click Confirm, and then click Exit. Loosen the screws of the pressing plate. Adjust the position of the pressing plate and then tighten the screws to complete the adjustment. The position of the pressing plate after adjustment is shown in the figure. Program code selection, click the button to enter the page. Edit and store the program, or call up the stored program. Click on the model and enter the numerical value, then click on the enabled zone number and enter the numerical value. Click on Data Write to complete the program storage. Click to select the serial number and enter the model of the program to be called. The data shows that it is being saved. Click on Data Write to complete the program call.